Ka pria ghosh na St. Edmunds High Secondary School Shlong, kabawan ha kekerdan kabahak do ha ke exam HSSLC Commerce, balapan benada ka embos ha ka sautrik jemang, kala ay buram ya ka jingjob jong kaling ba ka jing trishitam, bar ka jing kershan jing nohikai, bat ki kimiki kpa. Ngalawan ha kekerdan kabahak mat ha ka exam HSSLC Commerce. Menta kasngi ngat harai bagi jing trishitam kala seya uswa, ong ka pria kabalayo hadu South Pa Sanpo Pramax. Kalau ong ru baki nohikai ki kimiki kapa badu himmen jongka ki donya ka benta ka bakraw halor kani ka jingjob ka jongka. Ki nohikai ki kimiki kapa badu himmen jonga baro kila troi shitam bad kila donya ka benta ka bakraw om tang ban penwandor ha ka puli dangle jonga Henry kila penrung ru hangai ki jinglong babha ka akor ka buram ka bangan nyai beteng ban bat habaro ka jing em jonga kala ong. Ka pria kala ay buram kerpang yala himmen usuman das ubala beten lentia ka na do bakadang syong class 4. Kala kren ru halor ka jing ay men sim ka bakala yotling baka class teacher jongka haba ka syem ya ka no ko jing ta ka baong bakam desa tia ban randien. Haba ay men sim ki wepat ki para samla puli ka pria ka ong. Tule bat bot ya ke ka bapis ngotenan iet ya ke ka bapile bat ay ka babhatam kat bapila banle bat om tang bapin bahaya ka kam ka jongpi Henry tulong ki babha kum ki beriu bat yarap ban pen sngot ho lam ki we kataru ka penlong ya phi we ne ki nong jam haba pen pawi ki thong ki jongka ka pria kala ong ngadon ka jing ang not ban le research ha ka finance bat ngadon ru ka jing sngotenat ban phai khmat shaka public service. Haba kali halor ka jing pendan kami ki rensan social media, kalau ong ba kalong ka badan kam ban bati ya kapor haba pendan kami ki. Ngat harai ba ka social media kala yarap shibon ya nga. Ki samla puli kim de ban pelet jing matru na lor ki kat puli. Ka social media kala yarap shibon ha kabaya de berki jing tep kelum. Ka syong halor kumno pi pendan kami ki. Hai ki ar benai bangalapan kre ya ka exam ngamshem la pendan kami ki no ki social media Henry ngalapan na jingmot bai tang ha ka jingpuli kala ong.
And I have secured the first position for commerce in HSSLC examination. And today I think the hard work has paid off. My teachers, my parents, my brother, they all have worked harder and they have played a significant role in not shaping just my academics, and they have instilled into me moral values, ethics, I think, which I'll carry forward throughout my life. And I just want to thank them. My brother, Sumandas, he has taught me since I was in class 4, and I think the one I'm today, he also has played a big role. My class teacher, Miss Piali, she always motivated me when I was like the pressure was very high. She motivated me not to go down. Sir Felix, he is like a father figure. He has uplifted me from the day one I've joined St. Edmunds. And I just want to say that class 11 also plays a big role for your achievement in class 12, because I think the base plays a significant role in your achievement. And I was consistent since class 11, and my teachers, they saw potential in me. They always motivated me. All the teachers, Miss Pooja, Miss Supriya, they are the building blocks. They are my backbone, basically to say. Miss Rachel, Miss Delcy, all the teachers in the school, they have not only made me a good student, they have made me a good human being. And I just want to say to all the students, you pursue what you like, love what you do, and give your best, whatever you can do. And not only be good in your work, be good as a person, help others, understand them. That also makes you one of the achievers in your life. I think I want to pursue research in finance maybe in future, and I'm interested in public service also, so let's see what happens in future. I think social media has helped me a lot. Not only, I think the students should go beyond books, and social media has played a significant role in my general knowledge, and it depends on how you use the social media platform. I think the 2 months I've prepared during the board examination, I never touched. Means like I did not open any social media app. I was like, I have to be so consistent with my studies, and I think the students at the same time should enjoy their life. And I've learned that from my preparation, that studies matter, but at the same time, how do you enjoy your life? It matters a lot, because I think my studies have made me rigid, and I just want to say all the students, enjoy the process and at the same time enjoy your life too.